Hello everybody, my name is the IT guy. Welcome to another video. This video is going to be about this error you receive when you try to connect to a host. And there might be various reasons. You might have just reset this, like this was a VPS server that I am connecting to, and I reset it and the hash key has changed, so the fingerprint has changed, and therefore it thinks that the remote host is a different one, and there might be something nasty going on. This might just be the case, but if you're pretty sure it's not the case, if you reset the computer, you shouldn't fret. This is normal because the fingerprint of the machine has changed. So what do you need to do? So it already states what you need to do. So it says you have to add the correct key to the known hosts file. But if we go over to the known hosts file, let's say we do sudo nano and we actually open up the key, the file that contains all of these keys, then we'll see that I only have one. But what if you have multiple? So what if you have connected to multiple systems and you don't know which one you have to connect to? So there might be multiple entrances here, multiple entries here that have different keys in them. So you want to be able to differentiate between other keys as well. So the way you do that is by, first of all, we'll have to use this command over here. So you will have to do the ssh-keygen and then -h space -f and then space and then the host name that you're trying to connect to. So this should be the exact same one as here. So if you are trying to connect to a IP address, then you should also enter the IP address here. If you're connecting to the DNS host name over here, then you should also be entering the host name over here. So because Linux does differentiate in host names, so if you're trying to connect to that same IP address using its host name, then you probably will not get this error message. But if you want to be able to do it whenever using the IP address or the host name, then you should do it for both, of course. So let's see here. Let's see what we get over here. So we see that this is this is the entry we are getting. So what we did was actually we entered the host name, and then the ssh-keygen command is going to look for this host name in the known hosts files, and it's going to try to extract the correct entry for that. So that's what it just did. So if we would go over to our sudo nano command, we will see that let's just remember the first three signs, so /td, and actually we do see that /td is over here. And if we would just go ahead and remove this completely, just remove this entry and then Control O, save that, Control X and exit, and we would run the command again, so ssh-root, then we'll see that it will ask us for a new fingerprint. We will type yes, we'll enter the password. I got the password over here somewhere. We just enter the password like so, and we are good to go. So this was just a quick fix. This is just me showing you how to edit the SSH known hosts file in Linux. I hope you guys enjoyed the video and it helped you out. And if it did, guys, please leave a like and a comment below. And if you want to see more of my videos, please subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.